Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is Muhammad Adi Fitri bin Nur Muhammad Sufyan. I am from Faculty Sports Science and Education in UITM Shah. My ID number is 2021107093. I am from class SR 243 to S1. Alright, so today I will discuss or explain about micronutrient and macronutrients. Alright. Right, so firstly, I want to share about macronutrients. What is macronutrients? Macronutrients are the nutritive components of food that the body needs for energy and to maintain the body structures and systems. Many eating plans focus on changing the amount of carbohydrate, fat, or protein in our diet. That's because manipulating how much of them you eat can have a big impact on your body. There are three broad classes of macronutrient, which is proteins, carbohydrates, and fats. Carbohydrates, fat, and proteins are called macronutrients. They are nutrients that you use in the largest amount. Right, next, so I will explain about carbohydrate. What is carbohydrate? Carbohydrate are type of macronutrient found in certain foods and drinks. Sugars, starches, and fibers are example of carbohydrates. Carbohydrates divided by two types of carbohydrate, which is simple and complex carbohydrate. For simple example is sugar, and for complex carbohydrate the example is fiber and starches. There are some function of carbohydrate, which is first, storing glucose as glycogen. Second, storing glucose as energy. Third, sparing body protein. And lastly, preventing ketosis. Alright, so we go to the next macronutrients, which is fats. Fats are also called as fatty acids or lipids. Fats in our body are made up of three molecules joined together. This three molecule structure is called as triglyceride. There are three main types of fat in the foods you eat. Firstly is unsaturated fats from plant foods. Second is saturated fats from animal foods. And third, trans fats from commercial prepared processed food. What is the importance of fat? Firstly, fat helps absorb vitamins like vitamins A, D, E, and K. Fats keep our skin healthy. Third, essential fats like omega-3 are important for heart health. Healthy fats like unsaturated fats from plant oils can help lower levels of LDL, cholesterol. Alright, so next we go to the third macronutrient, which is protein. Protein is an organic macronutrient. It is contain carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, and nitrogen. Sulfur is found in several proteins. So proteins also is a source of nitrogen for human. Protein we can classify as complete and incomplete. For complete protein, they contain all essential amino acids. Example for complete protein is all animal proteins. And incomplete protein, there are lack at least one essential amino acid, and the example is non-animal, which is plant proteins. I have explained three components of macronutrients, so now we go to the micronutrient. Micronutrient, one of the major group of nutrients that need by our body. The term micronutrients is used to describe vitamins and minerals in general. As we know that our body needs smaller amounts of micronutrients relative to macronutrients. That's why they are labeled micro. Micronutrients include vitamins and minerals. For info, humans must obtain micronutrients from food since our body cannot produce vitamins and minerals. The micronutrient content of each food is different, so it's best to eat a variety of foods to get enough vitamins and minerals. Right, so now we go to the one of the component of micronutrients, which is vitamins. Vitamins are organic compounds that people need in small quantities. Most vitamins needs to come from food because the body either does not produce them or produce very little. There are so many types of vitamins such as vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin D, E, K, and many more. So, why vitamins different from macronutrients? It is because of the structure, function, amount intake. For structure, vitamins are individual unit and they are not linked together. And function, vitamin not yield energy but they assist the enzyme. And the amount intake, they are measured in milligram or microgram rather than gram. So now I will go to the micronutrients component, which is minerals. Minerals have two types of minerals, which is major and trace minerals. Trace minerals is essential minerals found in animals and plant food. Minerals also required for smaller amount, which is less than 100 milligram per day. And there are many types of trace mineral, which is iron, zinc, selenium, iodine, and chromium. Okay, next is major minerals. Major minerals are required in the diet and present in the body in large amounts compared to trace minerals. Example for major minerals is sodium, potassium, chloride, calcium, magnesium, and sulfur. And last but not least, I want to thanks to everyone who has watched my video, and I hope that this video will give you all and a good information and you all can use in your life. Thank you.